All right, today we got a special recipe. We are doing grilled firecracker shrimp. So I have just peeled and deveined all of the shrimp right here, dried them off. We're gonna create a marinade. We're gonna let them sit in there for about an hour. A little Worcestershire. Full soy sauce. We've got a cucumber jalapeno tequila. That's right. You can use any kind of tequila or a mezcal. I'm just going to do about ½ ounce in there. Apple cider vinegar. Something about ½ ounce. We're going to add a little momofuku, chili crunch. Add a little spice. Add what you like to your spice level. We're going spicy. The mincer didn't make it, so chopped up the rest of the garlic nice and fine. We're going to add that right into our marinade mixture right there. Lastly, we're going to slice about ½ a lemon in here. Go ahead and get this kind of stirred up, mixed in well. We're going to toss the shrimp in. Put a little plastic covering over the top of this, shake it up real well, put them in the refrigerator, and I'll see you in an hour. An hour has passed, we're ready to unwrap, skewer them up. Like to rotate them frequently. We're looking for those shrimp to get a nice char on the outside, firming up a little bit. Did somebody say throw another shrimp on the bobby? And from here, plate them with your favorite sauce. We're just gonna squeeze a nice little lemon over the top. And there you have it. Firecracker shrimp on a Freedom foldable gas grill.